What are realistic personal goals for teenagers? Imagine waking up every day knowing exactly what you want to accomplish and feeling confident about taking steps toward it. Setting goals like that can really boost your confidence and help you grow. But not all goals are the same, especially for teenagers. The key is to set goals that are clear, doable, and match what you're capable of right now. For example, instead of saying you want to be the best at everything, focus on small steps like improving your math grade by 1 letter or practicing a new hobby for 20 minutes a day. That way, you can see progress and stay motivated. Using the SMART method makes goal setting easier. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. So, instead of saying I want to get fit, a SMART goal would be I want to walk 30 minutes 5 days a week for the next month. It's clear, you can track it, it's realistic, connected to your interests, and has a deadline. This approach helps you stay focused and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Short-term goals are great for building momentum. You could start by organizing your school supplies or setting a routine to study every afternoon. Maybe you want to learn to cook 1 new recipe each week or volunteer once a month at a local shelter. These small goals are easy to manage and give you a sense of achievement. Long-term goals might include graduating high school on time, preparing for your driver's license test, or thinking about what kind of career you want. You could plan to apply to colleges or learn a new language over several months. Breaking big goals into smaller steps makes them less intimidating and more manageable. When you set realistic goals, you learn important skills like managing your time, staying persistent, and solving problems. Every small success builds your confidence and prepares you for bigger challenges. It's also important that you choose goals that matter to you. When you're working towards something you care about, it's easier to stay committed. Support from family, teachers, or mentors can help, but the goals should come from what you truly want. In the end, setting goals that are specific, realistic, and broken into steps helps you grow as a person. It teaches you how to plan, stay motivated, and handle setbacks. Building self-confidence starts with small wins, and those wins add up to big changes over time.